Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. We are here with another one. We are doing some Maverick Locs. So shout out to Janet Hair and Nala Trust for sending us over these Maverick Locs. What we're going to do is, let me take my bonnet up off. This bonnet is from Monet Dior. She actually has a wonderful website. You guys need to check her out. And she has a wonderful YouTube. So support her. And let's get into what we're about to do. So I left a story up in a poll because I wanted to know if you guys wanted to do these in the regular crochet style or should we go through individual. And guess what you mugs told me? We're going through individual. Okay, so we're going to come through and check out these Maverick Locs fresh out the pack. They're so nice. Okay, I'm going to give you guys like a really good look at them. I'm actually really excited. I've never done these. I've done like the regular faux locks. So I'm excited to get into this look. We have these in 24 inches. And this style is currently going for $7.99 a pack. Okay, and there's 2, 4, 6, 8. There's 10 locks in a pack, okay? So I have this in the color 1B Natural Black. I left this one undone so you guys can get an idea of what we're working with. I'll turn around so you guys can see. I'm all individuals in the back. Okay, so you know it's real. So this is the first part of this style. So what I'm going to do is use my Instant Control Edge and Braid Gel and just go through and individually braid my hair down. I am not the best parter, so don't judge me. Judge your mama. I'm trying to do better in 2020, okay, y'all? So I'm just going through and braiding her down. We're just going to crochet our first piece in. And the biggest thing about doing these is that you have to unravel them, okay? So once you unravel them, it makes it much easier for you to wrap that hair around the braid. This Janet Collection Maverick Loc is going for just about $7.99 a pack, and this is 24 inches long, so I think that's pretty good, especially because you get about 10 locks on that in the pack. Now I am going through and just making sure with my edge and braid gel that I keep a little bit on my fingers so you can actually close the bottom of the braid. So in order to make sure that there's no hair sticking out at the bottom, you just want to take a little bit of your edge control and just make sure you're winding that Maverick Loc up. The tighter it is, the less of that hair you will have hanging out, and you'll have a much more seamless look. Now I am just going through and doing this again. I'm just putting another lock in so you guys get a better look, and we just unraveled it a bit, and we're just going to go on through and just wrap that hair around the braid. Just wrap it around the braid. This is a more time-consuming way to do the Maverick Locs. However, I like doing the individual style because it makes for a much lighter style. It's not as heavy. It's not as bulky. I have a small head, so a lot of those locks on my little head is just not a look. It's just not. So I'm just going through again with my edge tamer and just making sure that I am rolling these locks all the way down so all of my hair is covered. So I always like to finish off my look with a little bit of the perm Peruvian hair. Like, I like to take that crochet loose hair and just actually crochet it throughout the style. It just gives it a little bit more texture. It looks a little bit more natural to me, and I really do like doing that. It's like my signature thing now. It gives that goddess lock look, and we all love those. The perm Peruvian hair that we're installing from Janet Collection is really beautiful. It is very soft, and it was very easy to install. Now I'm just going through on random pieces and just adding this hair in. Now while you're doing this, if you find that you have any hair that's sticking out, then you just want to roll her on back in, okay? Alright guys, so I just wanted to come back just a couple days later with a next, like, just so you guys can get a cute little update of what I'm looking like. And I must say, I really do love this style. So it took me, full disclosure, about 3.5, 4 hours, but that's only because I decided to do it the individual way as opposed to braiding her back and doing regular crochet braids. That'll take you no time to do, and because they already come pre-rolled, it's easy. Now I will say that I know that it is relatively hard to keep it coiled once you uncoil them. What I did, and this is like, it changed the whole hairstyle when I did this, I went through with my instant control edge and braid gel, right? And when I was I unraveled it, put a little on my fingers, and when I was wrapping my hair around that braid, I just used a little bit of this, and mother came all the way through. So I'm feeling like, very much like, you know what I mean, I'm right from off the island. This is literally my look all the time. Is if you're looking for a break from the wigs and the weaves, this is definitely the way to go. I really do love these passion twists. They are so pretty, okay? And they do take a little bit of work to get them unraveled and thrown on, but let me say this. She lives. Let me give you a little bit more light on me. Let me tell you something. Good night. I could not be more happy. I hope you guys are feeling her like I'm feeling her. Bust down. Tell me what you guys are thinking. This one is a little bit more consuming than the faux locks, but time consuming only because it's raveled in a special kind of way. But other than that, she came through. Come on, Miss Janet. Come on, Miss Janet. Come on through. Show the kids what you're serving. I don't have nothing left to say, okay? I will see you beautiful mugs later.